Hello YouTube, today I'll be doing a review on a jailbroken application for the iPhone and iPod Touch. It's called ProSwitcher, and it's basically another multitasking switcher application, but it's pretty much the best, it's the smoothest, and it sort of emulates the interface of the Palm Pre. So you're probably going to have to add a source that I'll include in the description to Cydia. I've found that it doesn't work in Rock, so if you can't find it in Rock, then I would recommend trying Cydia. But it doesn't have an icon, so once it's installed you have to respring and then go into the Settings app, and it should appear in this section at the end. And so you've got a lot of options about how you can customize it. The first one is the activation method. So it's got a bunch of things. You can activate it by pressing the sleep button, you can activate it by pressing the home button, by tapping the status bar, or pinching or spreading on the Springboard homepage. So pretty much however you want to activate it, it's practically got it all there. And then Become Home Screen changes it so that when you exit out of an app, it'll pop up. So I've got some apps running in the background, so let me just show you. When you exit out, it'll have everything you've got running right here, and then you just tap the background and it'll go away. But let's look at more of the settings. And that only happens when you exit out of an app, and you can also use the activation methods with it still. So then you've got the application title, which changes the showing of the application title underneath it. Show the badges, which shows the icon. Zoom active card, which let me show you what that does. If you can see that it zooms it forward a little bit, and the badges is the icon right next to it. So that's that. You can open on the dock right out of it. And then it's also got the close button and the rounded corners, which you can change. You can have small, medium, large, or no rounded corners. Page dots, which lets you show what pages you're on. Each app is a page. And then Springboard cards, swipe to close. As you can see, it's got a lot more settings. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's a lot, but now I'm going to do the actual review. So this is a really nice app. It's the Palm Pre, as you can see. It's got the name down there, and it's got a close button. If you tap the close button, it zooms right out of there, and the app quits. And then if you've got no apps running, it'll just tell you that. And you can tap on the background to exit out of it. And to bring it up, you just do whatever activation method you have. I have the press the sleep button for a short time, so we just press that, and it comes up with no apps running. So it works with Backgrounder, so if you don't have it, then you have to download it to use this app, obviously. But so if you do have an app running, then if you have that selected, then when you exit out of an app, I've got the option on that just goes straight to it. So that, I think that's useful. But this just has a really nice feel to it. It's got a really great interface, and it solves the problem of not being able to multitask. It's better than any other multitasking switcher as far as I'm concerned. It's just got a really nice look to it. I really recommend you download it in the Cydia store. ProSwitcher, one word. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.